Huh. Good morning, students. Hope you'll be fine at your respective places. Last time we have discussed, we have started this biological nitrogen fixation, and we have started this symbiotic nitrogen fixation, and we have divided this topic into two parts. First one, that is the nodule formation, and today we will start second part of this, that is process of biological nitrogen fixation. Process of biological nitrogen fixation, how it takes place. Now in this process, जो हमारे पास डाई नाइट्रोजन जो होता है या नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल डाई नाइट्रोजन, अगर हम उसकी बात कर लेंगे, दिस डाई नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल इट इज रिड्यूस्ड, इट इज प्रोग्रेसिवली रिड्यूस्ड by addition of by addition of the pair of hydrogen atom. So this dinitrogen molecule, it is reduced progressively, it is reduced continuously by the addition of hydrogen atoms. So what happens in this case? For example, ये याद रख लेना, whatever the reactions that are going to take place, we need the enzyme that is called as nitrogenase. We need the what we call the enzyme that is the nitrogenase. See, see what happens. This is the dinitrogen, that is N triple bond N. Now what we will see here, reduction process takes place. A reduction process takes place, a reaction takes place from this to this, and that reaction takes place by the addition of hydrogen atom. एक हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ एड अप होता है, एक हाइड्रोजन इसके साथ एड अप. नाउ सिंगल बॉन्ड एन, अब यहां पर दो एन सॉरी एच 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 एच. Now what we will see, this is an aldehyde, this is an aldehyde. Here we will see triple bonds are formed, three bonds are there, sorry, these three hydrogen are added, H H H, this for this another one, H H and H, and ultimately what we will get, we will get this reaction as these are these nitrogen, this is one nitrogen, this is another nitrogen. Now it has got 1 2 and 3 hydrogen, this nitrogen 1 2 and this 3 nitrogen. So when this dinitrogen, when it gets when it is progressively reduced ultimately by the addition of hydrogen atoms in presence of this enzyme nitrogenase, what we will see that the ammonia is formed. So whole of the process जो enzyme required यहाँ पर हम देखते हैं that is this nitrogenase. Now जो ammonia यहाँ पर बन जाता है, this ammonia, these are the two molecules of ammonia are formed. This ammonia formed. अब जो हम यहाँ पर ammonia देखते हैं, ammonia NH3 which is formed, it is used for the formation of amino acids. अब जो अमोनिया बन जाता है and the ammonia which are formed that is used for the synthesis, that is used for the manufacture of amino acids, and the this ammonia acid जो यहाँ पर है it is transported, this ammonia it is transported to various parts of the plant through phloem. This amino acid it is transported to various parts of the plant through phloem cell. Now अगर हम एवरेज की बात कर लेंगे, ऑन एवरेज अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, जो एक प्लांट होता है इट नीड्स या इट रिक्वायर्स नाइट्रोजन फ्रॉम सॉइल. अगर हम एवरेज की बात कर लेंगे, ऑन एवरेज अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, a plant it requires nitrogen from soil in inorganic form, not in inorganic form. ये इसको जरूरत पड़ती है as nitrate, as well as हम कहेंगे ammonia. So अगर हम बात करेंगे ऑन एवरेज प्लांट जो होता है इट रिक्वायर्स द नाइट्रोजन इन इनऑर्गेनिक फॉर्म, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ नाइट्रेट और एज अमोनिया. अगर हम नाइट्रेट की बात करेंगे, हाँ ये हम लिखेंगे इस तरह, एंड इन दिस अमोनिया की अगर हम बात कर लेंगे नेगेटिव रखेंगे बस. इन दिस केस अमोनिया, it is ammonia. So अब जो soil जो है it contains about 0.05% of this nitrogen. The soil it contains about 0.05% of nitrogen, and this is the main source of nitrogen. Now once this ammonia is formed, yeah, it is produced, it is formed, it is converted into nitrate. It is converted into nitrate by एक process हो जाती है that is called as nitrifying activities. By nitrifying activities, and this process जो होती है नाइट्रिफिकेशन, और दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज नाइट्रिफिकेशन. So what we have seen, the soil it contains about 0.05% of nitrogen, and this is the main source of nitrogen which is available to the plant. Once this nitrogen has been reduced to ammonia, once this ammonia is produced, it is converted into the nitrate by the nitrifying activities, or that process is called as the nitrification. In the soil we have got the bacteria that is called as nitrosomonas. We have got the bacteria that is called as nitrosomonas, which converts, जो इस अमोनिया को कन्वर्ट कर लेता है, which converts ammonia into nitrate, which converts ammonia into nitrate. So what we will see, NH3 reaction जो हम देखेंगे, what happens overall in this reaction, इस नाइट्रिफिकेशन में क्या हो जाता है, NH3 plus oxygen, it gives us HNO3 plus H2O. Now when we balance this, it is twice. चलो यहां से भी हम twice कर लेंगे. हाइड्रोजन कितने आ गए? 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6 नाइट्रोजन, लेकिन ऑक्सीजन नो हाइड्रोजन दो और है. 3 2s are 6, यहाँ पर दो ही है, यहाँ पर 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6. अब ऑक्सीजन यहाँ से दो है, यहाँ से 6 और 2 8, यहाँ पर 4 टाइम्स ऑक्सीजन आ जाता है. 3 2s are 6, 6 or 2 8, 4 2s are 8. Now it takes place by means of this nitrosomonas bacteria जो इसमें मदद कर लेता है. Now this nitrate which is formed, it is then oxidized to this. Now this what we call it, this nitrite जो यहाँ पर बन जाता है, this nitrite what we will see, it first converts the ammonia. This is the nitrite. Sorry, this nitrite. Sorry, it is nitrite. Then it comes the 3. Nitrite जो यहाँ पर है, this nitrite is then oxidized. HNO2, it then gets oxidized. This nitrite, it is then oxidized by means to convert in the nitrate HNO3. This is the process. Now twice करते सूर्य 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 6 आ गया. In nitrobacter, this is the what we call as this is the nitrobacter. So first what we will see in case of this process of this biological nitrogen fixation, in this process जो हमारे पास डाई नाइट्रोजन होता है या नाइट्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल जो होता है, it is progressively reduced to ammonia, is progressively reduced by the addition of a pair of hydrogen atoms, and it gets then converted into the ammonia, and the enzyme which which is used to carry out those reactions, that is the nitrogenase. Ammonia जो है, this then formed is used for the synthesis of amino acids, and then these amino acids they are taken to the various parts of the plant by means of this phloem cells. And average अगर हम बात करेंगे, जो plant होता है, it requires nitrogen from the soil in organic form, and these are mainly nitrate or in ammonia. अब जो सॉइल की अगर हम बात करेंगे, सॉइल में हम देखें इट ओनली हैज 0.05% ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, बट दैट इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन विच इज अवेलेबल टू द प्लांट. वंस अमोनिया हैज बीन what we call when the has been produced, it is converted into nitrates by nitrifying activities, or we can say by nitrification process. Ab what we'll see, when this ammonia is formed, it gets oxidized into the nitrite, and then this nitrite, it is oxidized and it gets converted into the what we will call as the nitrate. अब जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन जो होती है, it takes place under the control of the this nitrogen fixation, it takes place under the control of the plant, and it takes place under the control of the plant NOD, nod gene, and दूसरी बात अगर हम कहेंगे बैक्टीरियल नॉड, NOD नॉड, या उसमें पास हमारे पास एक और NIF, उसमें पास एंड FIX फिक्स जीन क्लस्टर. सो व्हाट वी हैव स्टडी, जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन होती है, इट टेक्स प्लेस अंडर द कंट्रोल ऑफ द प्लांट नॉड जीन्स एंड bacterial nod, NIF and fix gene cluster. नाउ दिस नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन जो हम बात करें, इट रिक्वायर्स three components. First one, a strong reducing agent. That is the first. Second, अगर हम बात कर लेंगे ATP to transfer हाइड्रोजन to dinitrogen. थर्ड अगर हम बात करेंगे विच इज वेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड, दैट इज द एंजाइम सिस्टम. अब जो एटीपी यहां पर जरूरत पड़ जाता है, दिस एटीपी अगर हम बात करेंगे, द मेन सोर्सेज ऑफ दिस एटीपी आर द प्रोसेसेस लाइक फोटोसिंथेसिस एंड रेस्पिरेशन. अब जो ATP, the source of the ATP are processes like photosynthesis and respiration. This was, now let us try to first recapitulate what actually happens in this symbiotic, या हम कहेंगे process of biological nitrogen fixation. In this case what we see, जो dinitrogen होता है, it is being progressively reduced to the what we call as the ammonia by the addition of this hydrogen molecule, by the addition of a pair of the hydrogen atoms. And what we will see, जो enzyme that is required to carry out this process or these reaction, that is simply this nitrogenase. That enzyme is then nitrogenase. Ammonia दस फॉर्म जो यहाँ पर अब जब अमोनिया बन जाता है, इट इज यूज्ड फॉर द सिंथेसिस ऑफ अमोनिया एसिड एंड दीज अमोनिया एसिड्स आर देन ट्रांसफर्ड टू द वेरियस पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट बाय मींस ऑफ द फ्लोएम. ऑन एवरेज अगर हम बात करेंगे, अ प्लांट रिक्वायर्स नाइट्रोजन फ्रॉम द सॉइल इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द इनऑर्गेनिक नाइट्रेट्स और एज अमोनिया. अब जो सॉइल है, इट कंटेन्स अबाउट 0.05% ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड दिस 0.05% इट इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन दैट इज अवेलेबल टू द प्लांट. Once from this nitrogen ammonia is produced, this ammonia is then converted into nitrate by the process of nitrification. और उसके लिए हमारे पास कुछ बैक्टीरिया है, दैट इज द नाइट्रोसोमोनास या नाइट्रोसोमोनास, जो इस अमोनिया को नाइट्राइट में कन्वर्ट कर लेता है. देन दिस नाइट्राइट इज देन कन्वर्टेड इनटू द नाइट्रेट बाय मींस ऑफ अनदर बैक्टीरिया दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द नाइट्रोबैक्टर. तीसरी बात अगर हम बात करेंगे, जो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन जो होती है, विच टेक्स प्लेस under the control of plant nod genes and bacterial nod, NIF and fix clusters. These are the genes, and there are some basic requirements which are what we call as the three components which are required for this nitrogen fixation. First one, a strong reducing agent. Number second, ATP to transfer hydrogen to nitrogen, and this ATP का जो हमारे पास source है, that is the process of photosynthesis and respiration, and the third, that is this enzyme system. So this was all about this symbiotic nitrogen fixation which we have discussed, and in the next video we will continue this topic. Until then, goodbye, God bless you, thanks.